A shadow of concern falls across the serene landscapes of Taiwan and Japan. Many see the declining birth rate as a sign of economic winter, a future of empty factories and shrinking markets. The headlines speak of a demographic crisis, a challenge to the very foundation of our economic structures. But what if we reframed the question? What if we saw this not as an ending, but as the quiet dawn of a profound transformation? History shows that scarcity is the mother of invention. When fewer hands are available to build, humanity doesn't stop. It innovates. And so a new kind of creator emerges from the silence. It's the elegant, tireless work of software, weaving the fabric of our new reality. It's the brilliant minds at NVIDIA, carving the very neurons of this new era onto silicon. It's the vast, interconnected intelligence hosted in Microsoft's digital realms, a consciousness that spans the globe. When you invest in the NASDAQ through an instrument like QQQ, you are doing more than buying stocks. You are hiring a digital workforce that scales infinitely, with a precision and power beyond human capability. As the old economic models built on population growth begin to fade, the value of pure concentrated intelligence per share only shines brighter. Let us walk on the path to financial freedom.